So now I can show you how to set up all automation tool for a Instagram account. So first of all, we show you the follow setting. At first, we set up the run timer. This is the best if you wait between 50 to 60 minutes before each operation. Follow between 3 to 6 people per operation with delay between 15 to 20 seconds. It's for initial account. Execute between 12 am to 11:59 pm. That means 24 hours. Add random sleep time. We can add random sleep time for its look like human profile. Sleep time every day. If you don't understand anything, please comments us on comment box. Okay, then follow limit. Follow limit is good for 50 to 150 per day maximum, and we can set 10 every day until 450 follow per day. So it's safe if we get it 450 and lower. Make a tick follower source with follow back ratio 5. Then we select users filter setting. User has profile image. Then tick user has a minimum number of posts 50. Then tick user has post at last once in his story. Then tick do not follow private user. Then tick use backlist. If you have a backlist, then you can add the backlist profile name and add username. This is my backlist profile name. Blacklist. Okay. Then user has at least 200 total like on the last 12 posts. Okay. After follow action. Suspend when temporary block between 180 and 36 minutes. Like user latest post. Wait between 3 to 10 seconds before is like between 0 and 1 post. Then after following, we can comment this user for attraction. Just we can set this type of comment for user. This is a spin syntax. Thus you can read the SMS how it looks. Then you must click view story after follow. Let's look this profile more human. Then we set up follow source. That means we need to our niche related people. Select our niche related people who have more than 50,000 followers. then it will be very good for follow source. Okay, then we first of all set up follow user by hashtag search section rank 10. This is the hashtag which related people are our target. Then we add follow followers of the targeted account. That means which account we set here, the targeted people are their followers. So we set here our targeted people. Then our automation tool follow the targeted people's follower. This is our targeted peoples. Follow specific user section rank 10 user filter. So if we click the user filter, then it's detect our previous user filter setting. Then we can add here the username which we want to specific user we want to follow. Follow user that interact with the post targeted account section rank 10. This is the hashtag and post we select here. So which user are interact with the hashtag and post, then we can follow him, follow those people. This is the source setting about all. Then if when our follower targeted account are complete setting, then we just started it. So search in progress. With initial setting is 94 follow per day, but if Jarvee having problem, then you can minimize more, it's about 60. Then we can check the result. Here we can check the result. It's working or not. So this is all about follow setting. Then with the next video we can show you how to follow back. Thank you.